funny moments and overall good moments. Moments that I love to have playing CSGO. If you do like this video, hit that like button and subscribe down below to show some support to the channel, to the bot squad. And click up above right now if you want to watch another video. Thank you. Enjoy the video.
Ryan, stop. I'm gonna give it to you in the ass.
Stop.
Get back here, Ryan.
From that day on, he got PTSD from being shot 5 times in the butt. Wait for the idiot. Wait for the idiots. Just sit here and wait. Got one idiot. Got... I got 3! I got 3 idiots! I got 3 idiots! I got 3 idiots!
Ryan, really, bro?
I got 3 idiots.
Really, Ryan? I thought you were better than that.
I get it. It's funny because I was camping and killed 3 of them.
Yeah, you almost didn't. I thought that was French, bro.
Hey, I almost didn't. I should have. I swear I was hitting him, but it just didn't register. Me old school way. I have to go in and risk my life. Oh, that's all right. It's just game. Risking my life. That ain't nothing. Yeet! Oh, I got someone. I got someone. Oh, 4 of them in the house. I yeeted and got someone. Do you guys think the yeet method will work 2 times in a row? Whatever it is, the yeet method, let's see if it works 2 times in a row. I just yeeted myself in that building and killed someone but died, so it's alright. I'm gonna do it again.
Do it.
You ready for this? Dead. 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 Dude, I didn't even see anyone.
It's alright, Ryan.
How about just not having him on the Discord call?
Big brain.
Are you serious? Okay, I gotta skip to when I'm back in because I just.
So, me girls?
Yeah, I like beer.
Oh, what did you just say?
Hmm?
It's the same way I like to plant. Yeah, don't go in there. Yeah, there's a dude right there. Yeah, you guys are all gonna die.
What do you mean?
Hey, I helped kill one of them, okay?
Listen,